Hello, this is Tyler Brown, President and Broker of Trinity Homes. Welcome to this Congress Heights home at 1630 Collingwood Drive in Pacific Beach. This home has the most amazing 270-degree views of the ocean, the bay, the city, Coronado Bridge, the lights. It's truly amazing. This home has 4 bedrooms, an office, and 5 bathrooms with 4,189 square feet. Enjoy the views from the upstairs balcony that has a built-in barbecue, or the patio below with a pool that's outfitted with water resistance for lap swimming. Congress Heights is an amazing neighborhood within Pacific Beach. It's very quiet, but still close to Pacific Beach and all the amenities that you'd want to have quick access to. The flow of this house is amazing. It utilizes these views to the fullest. This home is an entertainer's delight, but it's very quaint, and again, the flow and the layout lend very well to a very comfortable home. For more questions or to book a private showing, feel free to give me a call at 858-442-3449. You can also visit our website at www.trinityhomesandinvestments and our Facebook page at facebook.com/Trinity Homes and Investments.